After the recent earthquake in Cebu, schools and universities faces a serious ethical dilemma. The administration wants to resume face-to-face classes soon, saying it will protect the students' future and the community's economy. But some teachers and students are worried, fearing that few buildings still have cracks and might not be safe. Is it right to risk even one life just to keep many from falling behind? Now the question is, which matters more? The success of the majority or the safety of everyone? This reminds us that real education is not only about lessons, but also about making the right ethical decisions.